Hello, my name is Alessandra Volker. I'm a textile artist and instructor, passionate about turning fabric and illustration into joyful, expressive art. I'm thrilled to be part of QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse number 14. I've been working with textile art for many years, blending fabric painting, quilting, and illustration. My workshops are designed to inspire creativity, whether you are just starting out or already experienced. On Wednesday, March 25th, from 10 to 4 p.m., I'll be teaching Pug in Bloom. In this full-day class, we use Inktense pencils and Posca markers to bring a charming pug illustration to life. Blending techniques, bold outlines, layering, and texture. By the end, you have a colorful pug portrait with a floral crown full of personality. This class is open to all levels. On Thursday, March 26th, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., I'll be teaching Handle with Love. In this workshop, we use Posca markers only to paint an orange rabbit holding a turtle surrounded by flowers and bunnies. You'll explore layering, blending, bold lines, and delicate details. It's a cheerful piece that celebrates kindness, nature, and connection. This class is also for all levels. To register, go to www.quiltfest.com, visit the QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse number 14 page, and click on Workshops by Instructor. There, you'll find all the details about dates, times, and how to join. I look forward to see you in class. It will be a creative and inspiring experience, and I'm excited to share this journey with you at QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse number 14. See you there!